Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel USA Cars Detail. The legend is back. Meet the 2025 Shelby Cobra, a modern take on the raw, unapologetic power that defined an era. But this isn't just a rehash of old glory, it's a bold evolution. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you know it's something special. The classic low-slung profile is still there, but now it's sharper, leaner, and even more aggressive. Every curve has been sculpted for performance. The wide stance, the flared wheel arches, the massive hood vents, they all scream speed. It's a car that looks fast even when standing still. Under the hood, the 2025 Cobra doesn't disappoint. Gone is the traditional big block V8, replaced by a hand-built, twin-turbocharged 5.2-liter V8 pushing out a mind-blowing 750 horsepower. Mated to a 6-speed manual transmission, yes, manual, it promises pure, visceral driving. Shelby kept the car light too, thanks to a carbon fiber chassis and aluminum body panels. The result? A 0 to 60 time in just 3.1 seconds and a top speed that easily cracks 200 miles per hour. Inside, it's all about the driver. There's no flashy tech overload, no giant touchscreens to distract you. Instead, you get a simple, leather-wrapped steering wheel, analog gauges, and bucket seats that hug you tight. Every button and dial feels purposeful. Shelby wanted to keep the Cobra raw and focused, and it shows. It's not about being the most comfortable car. It's about feeling every vibration, every roar, every heartbeat of the machine. But make no mistake, the 2025 Cobra isn't just a brute. It's been fine-tuned for handling, with an active suspension system and massive Brembo brakes giving you total control whether you're tearing up the track or carving through canyon roads. There's even a launch control system if you feel like showing off. And the sound, oh, the sound. The new Cobra roars with a deep, primal growl that builds to an ear-splitting scream as you push it higher. It's mechanical, it's angry, and it's addictive. It reminds you that cars can still be pure, thrilling machines in a world moving towards silent electric motors. Production will be extremely limited, making the 2025 Shelby Cobra not just a dream to drive, but a collector's prize. If you want one, you'll have to move fast. Just like the car itself. The king is back, and it's louder, faster, and meaner than ever.